Got a new router, so I have to reset this. This is my TP Link. It's a Wi-Fi extender. On the very bottom of it, you're going to see it's got a reset button. It's got an Ethernet port. You could hardwire this sucker if you had a long enough Ethernet. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and reset this. We're going to hook it up to our brand new tower because it's got a whole different Wi-Fi network and name, so we have to do that. And the first thing we got to do is plug it in the back there. All right, so anyway, I'm going to plug this in upside down this way, just like that. Push it in, and then I'm going to go to the reset. I'm going to push on it. I'll hold it for about 15 seconds. I'm going to pull it out. And then it's going to flash. When it stops flashing, then I can come over to the router and I can push this WPS button on the bottom of the router. All right, over here's our link, right? And once I do that, once that stops flashing, I don't know if it's ever going to stop flashing. Okay, there we go. Now I can come over here. That's within 2 minutes you got to come back and hit this. So I'm going to push this. And I'm going to let go of it. You see that little flash right there? I'm going to let go of it. And bam. Then I got to come over here. And I'm going to push this little square right there. Bam. And we should be connected. It may take a little while for it to hit, but let's just go ahead and we'll set this here and let it do its thing. Kind of waiting for the solid green to come on there. And when it does, we should be good. And once that happens, we can take it and we can remove it from this outlet and try to find one that's fairly close to the router. I'm going to go down about 15 feet to the kitchen. I'm going to plug it in the kitchen. And we just got one more green light. And we should be looking good here in a second. So we've got, oh, we had them all lit up. All right, let's let it do its thing. Let's get a closer view here so you guys can see it. So we've got one, we've got two, three, we've got all four of them lit. So let's go ahead and let's pull it out of here, take her downstairs, plug it into the socket that we just pulled it out of 3 minutes ago. Try not to trip as you walk down as you're filming, because that would not be good, would it? Plug it in, we'll see if our devices see it. Cross your fingers, here we go. It takes a while for it to fire up, so we gotta wait, see if we got a red light. Once these are all green, we're good. I'm not gonna make you wait for that. I'm just gonna turn it off and come back when it turns all green. A couple minutes later and we have all green, so we're looking good. Checked it out on the phone, it's definitely there. Okay, now we're going to check it on my iPhone 12. We're going to go open up settings. We're going to go to Wi-Fi. And then it should just show up right there. And there it is. It's going to be the AT&T with some numbers after it. Backslash or down slash or low slash EXT. And this is the AT&T here. That's the tower. And as you can see, the tower is exactly the same here with the extension, although I'm blurring all this. So it's definitely working. And we've got a good signal. All right, that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff.